welcome back to my channel. I'm Deanna and you're watching Orchid. So this is a really quick video because I just wanted to show you guys this plant. This is my Oncidium Wildcat, which was recently in bloom. You can see the two bloom spikes there. And I was heading up to bed tonight. It's about 9:30 p.m. and I accidentally knocked this guy over. So I've just brought it downstairs and I wanted to show you guys these roots. So this is a plant that was previously doing not too bad. I apologise for all that noise, but that's Frankie just chewing on a bone back there. You can see that there is quite a few sort of dark roots. Some of them are still okay, some of them aren't. But what I want to show you is that this is the newest growth. And these are the roots that it's tried to bring out. So you can see that they've all grown to a certain length, just a couple of centimetres, and they've stopped. And the tips of them, they don't look like typical root tip burn or anything like that. You can see that it sort of forms almost like a hollow at the ends. Some of the roots down here look exactly the same, some of the good ones and some of the ones that have perished as well. You can see they all sort of have that similar appearance, and that is extremely typical of snail damage. And of course I did find at least one of the culprits. So I am going to just cut back the dead roots, give it a really good rinse, and then spray it down with some hydrogen peroxide. I'll have a really good inspection of it tomorrow, actually, because it's a bit late tonight, and repot it then, but I may or may not give it a little soak in some bleach. But even if I do that, I'll still be spraying that entire root mass and in between the leaves and things, in case there are any snails lurking about, because they are very good at hiding. Anyhow, I just wanted to show you that, so it's going to be a really quick video, but I hope you found that a little bit useful. Just signs to look out for, and to be honest, like, I knew for the last couple of months probably that it wasn't doing so great, but I just kind of left it because it was flowering, so it's probably just as well I accidentally knocked it over. And if you're wondering, I do knock over plants all the time, like, it really such a klutz, it just happens all the time. So anyhow, I wanted to show you guys that, and I hope you found it useful. So please give this video a like if you got something out of it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more orchid videos. Hope you guys enjoy your week. Happy growing until I see you next time. Bye.